have to walk your own path of the law of attraction. You have to create your own life. That's what you hear a lot of times when it comes to law of attraction. Create your own life. What does it mean? It means that there's an element of creativity, originalness, uniqueness to your path. So it does not matter what you read. It does not matter what other people say you should or should not do. The reality of things is you should do it for yourself. Even if you read something inspirational, a success story about scripting, about affirming, about visualization, and you do exactly the same thing, even if you get the result, you still have to do it. You still have to persevere and see for yourself if it works. And if it does not work, does not matter. There will be something else that works for you, your particular self, your particular personality, character, etc., etc. So do not despair when you fail at a certain practice, at a certain discipline, at a certain imaginal act. It does not matter. And also, if you don't feel like doing visualization, scripting, affirming, that's your choice and it's okay. I used to read a lot of Joseph Murphy. Joseph Murphy has super long affirmations, like a paragraph long affirmation. It's like, I don't want to repeat this over and over in my mind. I would rather have a short one. You can change things to work to your uniqueness. If you don't like a certain practice, do it your way. As long as it feels good to you, that's the most important thing. You don't want to practice the law of attraction because you think that this person is right, when in fact it does not work so well for you because it does not feel comfortable, it does not feel safe, it does not feel good. You are forcing something, and forcing, as we all know, is not the way to go when it comes to manifestation. So creating your life, it means exactly that, creating your own life. But you have to make the choice that are right for yourself. Don't get me wrong. You can use practices and do the same thing as others. It might work for you. Well, I'm trying to say it might work or it might not work, but it does not matter. You still have to do it no matter what and stop questioning and persevere. And if this thing does not work, quote unquote, you try something else. What I'm really trying to say is at one point you have to fly with your own wings. It's like martial art. You learn the basic movement and you perfect them. But after a while, you have to create your own style. Law of attraction is even more creative than martial art because you don't even need to learn the foundation too much. You just learn a little bit and you apply. Will there be trials and tribulations? Of course. A path by its definition is never smooth. You will have a bridge of incidents. You will have things that make you think you failed when instead you didn't fail. You might see something that works well for you, but it's not really what you want. So a lot of things will happen. But at the end of the day, you have to do one thing. Walk your own path. Keep faith in your vision. Hold fast to your vision, as Joseph Murphy and Neville Goddard would say. So don't worry so much about other people, the practices. Pick something. Pick a few practices, a few disciplines, and just make it work for you. But you have to walk this own path. It's worth it. It does not matter if the other stories are the certain way. You are writing your own story. That's the most important thing. Thank you so much for listening.